Hello everyone. So today we're going to draw a caterpillar. So first we're going to start off with a circle for the caterpillar's head. And then we'll draw another circle a little bit below the head. And then another circle after that, or semicircle I guess it would be. Another semicircle. And then one more semicircle. And then we'll go ahead and draw antennae for the caterpillar. So two little lines on the top of the head and then a little ball at the end. And we'll go ahead and give this caterpillar some eyes. So two little circles. And we'll draw the pupils. And then we'll go ahead and give this caterpillar a smile. All right, so caterpillars have lots of legs, so we're gonna go ahead and draw two little legs on each semicircle. And we'll go ahead and give this caterpillar some feet too. So just draw a little, kind of like a little foot at the bottom. All right, so caterpillars like to eat leaves, so we're gonna draw a leaf also on the drawing with a little bite taken out of it. So we'll go ahead and draw the bottom part of the leaf, kind of like a half circle. And then the top part of the leaf, we're gonna stop about right there. And we're gonna draw a little bite taken out of the leaf like that. And then go down and then connect it with the other side of the leaf. We'll draw a little stem at the end. And then we're gonna add some veins to the leaf. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and outline everything with a black permanent marker. I'm using a Sharpie. All right, we'll do the head. And again, if you don't exactly go over the lines, your pencil lines, we're gonna go back in later and erase all those pencil lines. It's always better just to draw a drawing in pencil first, because in case you make a mistake, you can easily erase it. Do the smile. Go ahead and do the body. And we'll go ahead and do the legs and the feet. Let's go ahead and color the feet in with the black marker. All right, and then we're gonna go ahead and outline our leaf. Do the bottom part. And then the veins. All right, and then we're gonna go ahead and with our eraser and just erase all those pencil lines that you have there. And since we used a permanent marker, none of those outlines that we just did are gonna smear. That's why it's important to use a permanent marker. then we're gonna go ahead and color in our picture. So I'm gonna use this yellow marker for the caterpillar. You can use any color that you like. Again, you can use markers, crayons, colored pencils, whatever, whatever you like to use. You can even paint it in if you like. I'm gonna go ahead and color this guy in. And you can, use whatever color you like. Caterpillars can be green, brown, black, yellow, orange. Or if you want to do a pink caterpillar or a blue caterpillar, that's fine too. Rainbow colored caterpillar. Just color all of that in. Last part. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and color in the leaf. So I'm going to use this green, which is closest I have to a leaf color. Caterpillars like green, juicy leaves. So we're using this green color to do that. All right, and then we have the caterpillar's antennae, which I'm just gonna go back in and use the black Sharpie to color those in, because those are usually black. Okay, and there you have it. That's how you draw a caterpillar.